Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of a photo on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the gallery and select the photo that we want to change the aspect ratio of. I'm going to select this the Beatles photo, and after that we're going to press on the pen icon on the bottom to start editing our photo. Then we're going to go to this crop section, so this section with a box, and then press on this icon right here with arrows and a screen. And here you can change the aspect ratio by selecting any of these options, so 1:1, 3:4, 9:16, and so on. You can also flip it to like 90 degrees, so if you want more horizontal more than vertical. So just select the aspect ratio that you want. Drag the subject into the photo so it looks the way you want it to look, and then press save. So it can also ask you to change the resolution of the image. So increased resolution uses AI to make the image sharper, but if you don't want that, you can just press keep current resolution, and there we go, the image has been cropped. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.